And the race is on. Changing times from the outside. Moving up by the early surprise call. Morning Nasser is sneaking down on the inside. And moving up is Berswa, My Chemical Romance, Marty S. And on the outside, Manila Queen down on the inside. Replacement, Brad Lotus. Number 4, Happy Boomer. Entry number 1. And this one is replacement. Rounding the fourth turn. Red Star entry number 2, Morning Nasser, My Chemical Romance is on the outside. And moving up by the row is entry number 5, Berswa. It's Morning Nasser, My Chemical Romance. And moving up is Marty S. Berswa as they swing for home. 3 runners fighting around for the lead is Marty S. at the center. Morning Nasser. And moving up Berswa, My Chemical Romance and Replacement. And nearing the finish line is Marty S. and Morning Nasser. Replacement running in third. And nearing the finish line is Marty S. followed by Morning Nasser. And Manila's Queen is on the outside and changing times. And finally at the purpose Marty S. close. Manila's Queen, Morning Nasser. Changing times, Stormtrooper.
Yeah.